Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely edging, this lovely border. It's called Picot, P-I-C-O-T, and you can finish all your flat projects with it. It just gives it this lovely detail. So you can either create these little peaks in every other stitch like I did here, or you can space them out even more. It depends on what you like. So today I'm going to add the Picot edging to my coaster here. You can do it in different color, or you can carry on with the same color as your project. So you want to go under any of your stitches and attach your yarn. So just pull it through. Now hold it tight and chain one. Now into the same space we're going to do a single crochet. So to single crochet, insert your hook under the 2 V's of the stitch, pull through. You got 2 loops on your hook, you yarn over and pull through both. So this is our single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3 and we're going to slip stitch back into our single crochet. So turn your work sideways and insert your hook under these 2 loops here on the side, pull through and pull straight through again. So that's our first little picot. So into the next stitch we're just going to do a regular single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and now the picot. So chain 3 and slip stitch into the single crochet on the bottom, yarn over, pull through and pull through again. And again, next one is just a single crochet, and the next stitch will be single crochet and the little peak. So chain 3, then turn your work sideways, insert your hook into your single crochet, yarn over, pull through and pull straight through. So here we've got our 3 little peaks. So I'm just going to carry on and then I'll catch up with you when I'm done. So I'm nearly at the end of my border. I've just got one more picot to make. Got 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch and one more single crochet. So you can slip stitch into the base of the first stitch that we started the round from and just cut your yarn and pull through. There. And now we're gonna hide our tails and we're done. So this is such a lovely finish to any flat projects. It's really cute and, as you can see, super easy and really effective. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.